Hey everyone, welcome to Local Living. I'm Anna Christina. I'm out and about exploring the CSRA and First Choice. Man, they have a lot going on, and we are out in one of 6 communities currently being built, and I'm joined by John DeFore with DeFore Realty. What's going on?
Oh man, we're just happy to be out here.
Yeah.
Thankful to have such a beautiful place to be able to put homes and put a First Choice product out here.
Absolutely, and First Choice is prime time. I've been, searching and looking all around the community, and we've been to a lot of the things that they've had going on and building. They're just awesome.
Yeah,
They're incredible people, incredible company. And we are out, and I want to give people an idea of where we're at because there's been so much going on with First Choice. This is one of 6 communities, like I said.
Sure.
Why don't we talk about where we're at?
Yeah, so where we are is we are kind of at the edge of Appling and Grovetown. If you come from Evans, straight down Columbia Road like you're going to Appling, turn left on Louisville Road, we're about 2 miles down on the left.
This is really an up-and-coming area. I think it's so beautiful. Tell us about that. What has been happening?
Yeah, the growth is certainly moving out, and with the growth has come people wanting to push out and find places to put lots. So as that has happened, the area of Appling, Harlem, Grovetown is just growing.
Expanded,
yeah,
yes.
It really
and
has.
So this particular area, I know obviously if you look back, beautiful land, things are gonna start happening and moving probably pretty quickly.
Yes.
What can we expect?
So we're just really getting started on putting homes out here. We'll probably have our first house available to purchase or to move into in the spring of 21. Things are moving. It just takes a little time, and weather's always going to play a role in it.
Absolutely, and the weather has been a little bit crazy, hasn't it?
It has.
But I love that it is fall and that we're experiencing some nice weather, so hopefully we can move things along here. But people can actually come out and choose their lot.
They can, yeah. So what we have here is it's different than a typical subdivision, but you have acreage type lots. Our smallest lot is about 1 acre, and they go up to about 3 acres. So you can come out here right now, pick one of these beautiful lots that we have, and build your dream home on it, and First Choice can make that a reality.
Well, and that's what I was going to talk about next is First Choice. How has it been working with them?
Oh, they're great to work with. They're fun, they're exciting, and they do a great job. And so that's all you can really ask.
Well, and I know that you can go to First Choice, their website, we'll put it on the screen, and you can take a look at some of the homes that they've built in the past, and really you can choose, and they can customize according to your wants and needs.
Yes, for sure. Yeah, so you can take one of their plans that they have and play with it. You can take it as it is, or you can bring your own plan and they will customize it.
Well, and like the sign says, your dream home can be right here. And John, you have a lot of experience. Actually, your grandfather, your father with DeFore Realty.
Yeah, we've been doing this about 3 generations in the real estate business. We typically have always stayed in this area and done a lot of land and lake. We've slowly, as things have progressed to us, we're just kind of standing in the way of progress.
Right.
So,
And what's that been like during this time? Because I know obviously things have changed. A lot of people have had to adapt. Working with First Choice, how have things changed? What can people expect within the real estate arena?
Yeah, so obviously to come out here, they make it super simple to work through that process, to go and meet with their design team. We're out here kind of on the front side helping them pick their lot and figuring it out. But once you move through to the next stage, First Choice just kind of holds their hand throughout the process.
And as far as real estate goes, really nothing has slowed down. So you can still build and find your dream home, which is nice.
Yeah, you can. And this gives you a little bit of space. You can't touch your neighbor necessarily. You get a little acreage. You get a little bit of peace and serenity.
Some serious social distancing there, right?
For sure,
well,
for
John,
sure, yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
If you have any more questions or you want to take a look at those homes, again, visit First Choice and their website. Thank you so much. All right, guys, don't go anywhere. When we come back, we'll have more on Local Living.